Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python in macOS. In order to install Python in macOS, first navigate to https www.python.org/downloads. Once you navigate to this website, you will see download the latest version for macOS, and below that we should be able to see a button download Python with the current version number. In my case it was 3.11.2. If you click this download Python 3.11.2, it will download the package. Double click the package, it will take you to the installation wizard. Complete all the steps. Once it is done, open your terminal. Since my version is 3.11.2, I am using Python 3 space double hyphen version. Once I do this, I will be able to find out whether the Python was installed successfully in my PC. If you are running into any issues after the installation, what you can do is restart your PC and then open terminal and then see whether you are able to successfully check the version. Using these simple steps, you should be able to download and install Python in your Mac OS. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the downloads link so that you should be able to download and set up Python in your Mac OS. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.